how to connect Python to MongoDB. So we need some of the libraries, that is Pymongo and .env. In order to store your MongoDB URL, let's just install it. Okay. Now since I've already installed it, it's saying requirement already satisfied. Let's create our app. Now you will need MongoDB URL from MongoDB Atlas. For that you can simply go to MongoDB Atlas and create a project, and you will see this same interface as me, and you will need to connect it. Go to drivers and select Python. You can do it from any other language too, and copy it and paste it in your environment variable. So let's give it a name of MongoDB URI, and you have to create your username and password. Okay, now let's import Pymongo and .env. Okay, OS is import OS2. From Pymongo import MongoDB client, Mongo client. From .env import load.env. Okay, now let's load our environment using load.env function. And then we need to provide, let's create a variable MongoDB URL .env. We need to write the same as in .env file. Okay. Now to check if the URL is coming or not, let's just print it. Let's run it, and now as you can see our URI is printed, and now we need to establish a connection. So for that, let's create a variable called client. Paste your MongoDB URI. So what it basically does is establishes a connection using the URL, and now you need to create a database and a collection. So for that, db equals to, now you need to name your database, and then after that you need to name your collection. Okay. Now after this, we need to insert a document, that is data. So let's create a document in the form of JSON. Okay. This is a YouTube video. Okay. Now I need to declare the insert document variable. Insert one, a new document. So let's print out if it's inserted or not. insert doc dot inserted id. Let's close the connection. And now it will create a new database called my tutorial and a collection, first collection where the provided data will be inserted. So let's check it. Okay, let's refresh it. I think first we need to run. Okay, we forgot to run our app. Let's run it. So this is a warning is basically saying that you need SSHL, so you can just ignore it. And let's check our database. Okay, so as you can see, my tutorial database and my collection where your data is inserted. So this is how you can connect the Python to MongoDB database. Thank you very much.